Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unraveling a fascinating garden mystery, Mendel's Law of Segregation.
Picture Gregor Mendel in his garden, scratching his head. Why does one plant grow both yellow and green seeds? He patiently counted traits generation after generation. He realized they're controlled by tiny, discrete units he called factors.
Today, we call those factors genes. And get this, every organism carries two versions of them, known as alleles. It's like having your grandma's eye color and grandpa's hair texture hidden inside you, but only one actually shows.
This brings us right to the law of segregation, which breaks down into three vital steps during reproduction.
Step 1. During gamete formation, those two parent alleles physically separate or segregate from each other completely.
Step 2. Because they separate, each new gamete gets just one of those alleles. It's beautifully simple, right?
Finally, at fertilization, these alleles randomly meet back up to form totally new genetic combinations.
Let's look at Mendel's classic monohybrid crast. He started with pure yellow and pure green parent plants.
In that first F1 generation, every single offspring plant turns out entirely yellow. The green just vanishes.
But wait, when those F1 plants reproduce, that hidden green trait surprisingly pops right back up in the F2 generation.
This random mixing of alleles naturally creates a super precise 3-to-1 ratio of yellow to green seeds.
So, what's the real biological insight here? Why does this mathematical sorting happen inside living cells?
Well, it all comes down to meiosis. That's when homologous chromosomes physically pull apart to form gametes. Because of this physical separation, traits don't just blend together forever. They stay distinct and can reappear later.
And here's the coolest part. This exact biological mechanism applies directly to your own family tree.
That's exactly why you might have your grandparents' dimples or tongue-rolling skills, even if your parents don't.
So inside every seed, every child, and every living organism, there's this quiet, amazing sorting of possibilities happening.
The law of segregation is basically nature's brilliant trick for keeping variation alive. What hidden traits will you pass on?